Technically, mold does not typically grow on the insulation itself. Fiberglass is not a viable food source for mold. Yet, mold growth is often found on the top surface of attic insulation. There are three main reasons Hasi Property Restoration cares about insulation in an attic when conducting a mold inspection. These are things we are looking for. 1. Insulation blocking the soffit venting, which limits the amount of airflow into the attic. 2. Mold growth actually growing on the insulation itself. And 3. If an attic has too much insulation, which can actually cause condensation. Extra insulation means less radiant heat making it into the attic. That is the whole point of installing insulation. However, there is an unintended consequence if too much insulation is used. If no heat radiates into the attic, the roof sheathing will remain the same temperature as the outside air. When cold, moist air enters through the attic vents and hits the underside of the roof sheathing, it now hits a very cold surface. Because the sheathing is cold, the moisture condenses on the surface and mold growth occurs. Incorrect installation of the insulation is a common cause of attic mold growth. At Hasi Property Restoration, we have found that most insulation mold problems were caused by homeowners who installed the insulation themselves. Here are the most common problems. 1. Insulation installed upside down. 2. Insulation installed directly to roof sheathing. And 3. Insulation installed too close to sheathing, leading to mold growth. Allow the experts at Hasi Property Restoration to remediate your insulation mold issues and properly insulate your attic. Call us today at 404-966-9076.